BomberMan.
Hello, here we're back to my new video. Tonight we will have very special one, very crazy one, and very fast explosion. So tonight we're gonna do very good experiment that nobody sees how it looks like, nobody knows how it explodes and everything, but tonight we will see very special moment. So it will be a choice that nobody see it, nobody can do it at home or somewhere like that, but I can tell you that some of them can face it I don't know, some of them they are facing very rare, some of them they are facing several times per life, but tonight we will see how it looks on the live. What do we have tonight? So it's very special one and very unique. So we are going to explosion thing. What we have tonight? So it's the car driver's airbag. Wow! I choose this thing to explode because it's very, very interesting, you know, because we cannot see it by our eyes how it opens and how it explodes. So that's why I decided to take it on the slow motion movie, and the surprise that we don't have just only one. I have two airbags. Yeah! I think many such kind of videos, guys, you have seen long time ago, and many of them, yes, but nobody knows how it opens in the slow motion. So it's very interesting because our eye cannot see it, so we will do it in a very crazy way. The purpose of this experiment is not just to take a look, you know, how it explodes and how the airbag opens, but experiment is with a head. Of course, we don't use real person head. So that's why in this way I'm imitating with a watermelon.
MIG BomberMan.
Wow, what a nice face I have, right? Here we have. So this is the face that I painted, and well, I think it's not that I'm going to the end, but this person, this head, must have a name, right? Because of this fruit is watermelon, so I think I will give the name that it will be Voldemort, right? Voldemort. It will be the name of this watermelon, and we will kick his ass. So it means that this Voldemort will get the kick, let's say, direct to his face. Yeah, so it will be like imitating head, and we will see how it goes through.
And now is the time to declare yourself.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Wow, wow, here we go. Totally fresh, just after explosion. Here you go, take a look, you see? Oh, this is awesome. This is totally just 1 second after the airbag explosion. Wow, take a look, but it's so hot, so hot. Wow, it looks so clean. Wow, you can sleep on that pillow. Here you go. Wow, wow, amazing. So this is how the airbag explosions looks like. Wow, I'm impressed, I'm impressed. So take a look once again with a slow motion movie.
MIG BomberMan. MIG BomberMan.